Electric attachments offer many advantages over air-driven handpieces. With up to 60 watts of power, they are almost 3 times the power of a typical air handpiece. With new brushless motors, they are durable and allow for precision control of speed settings to better match instrument requirements. With a maximum speed of 200,000 RPM, the sound is much quieter than the typical air handpiece that may exceed 400,000 RPM. However, with this increased power from the electric motor, the gears in an electric attachment can be driven to the point of unsafe use, creating a risk of patient injury and liability for your practice. It is critical that the electric systems are installed properly and that all staff are trained on proper care. Electric high-speed attachments have internal gears that increase the motor's maximum 40,000 RPM drive speed to 200,000 RPM at the cutting instrument of the attachment. The attachment gears are capable of generating friction heat during operation, and if the electric system is not installed with the power cooling airflow to remove the friction-generated heat, the attachment may heat up. Also, proper maintenance and use of the electric attachment is critical to successful electric integration. Training must be conducted so that staff understands the importance of care and maintenance. The instructions for use should be reviewed with all potential operators and staff responsible for sterilization and maintenance. Improper maintenance can result in internal damage that may not be covered by warranty programs. Because electric attachments have precision metal gearing and multiple bearing sets throughout the handpiece, sufficient internal cleaning and lubrication is critical after each use. If the attachment is not properly cleaned and lubricated before sterilization, the components may become clogged with debris, inhibiting free movement of the gears and bearings. Proper internal cleaning, lubrication, and sterilization are critical factors affecting attachment life and performance. For internal cleaning and lubrication of electric attachments, it is strongly recommended that an automatic lubrication device such as the Midwest Automate be used. While manual maintenance can be effective, automatic maintenance devices ensure proper application of the cleaning and lubrication fluids each and every time. The maintenance machine also ensures expel times are consistent in order to flush out debris as well as excess oil and cleaner from the handpiece. Your patients trust you to provide the best possible care. Because electric attachments have the potential to generate heat if not maintained or used properly, it is important to test them prior to every use. Run the attachment prior to use and before inserting a burr to confirm that the head and the sheath of the attachment are not generating excessive heat. Listen for unusual noise and feel for any unusual vibration, which may indicate that the attachment requires servicing. Remember, the power of the electric motor is more than sufficient to turn the drive shaft even if the gears and bearings are debris-laden or worn and damaged. Stop use immediately if any excessive heat or vibration is discovered, and send the attachment in for authorized service. Never use a handpiece or electric attachment as a tissue retractor. If the stationary push-button chuck is depressed during use, the button cap will touch the spinning chuck components and instantly generate heat sufficient to burn any soft tissue contacted. Additionally, contact between the button cap and the chuck during operation can generate metal debris sufficient to increase heating and to significantly reduce the life of the internal bearing gears. The following guidelines should be followed to ensure safe operation of electric handpieces. Carefully follow Midwest maintenance instructions. Only use Midwest maintenance products, and examine the handpiece for damage before each use. If damaged, do not use. Never use chemicals or disinfectants on handpieces. Never cool a hot handpiece with water. Never apply pressure to the chuck release button while the handpiece is rotating. Never use the handpiece as a cheek or tongue retractor. Service should only be carried out by an authorized repair center using genuine Midwest repair parts. With proper installation and training, electric attachments are a beneficial aid to the dental practice. Midwest is committed to working with customers for a successful integration.